Elicit Online is a specialized tool to capture and transfer knowledge for the process and manufacturing industries. Our solution is an online platform to capture the valuable know-how of your experts and present it to colleagues ready for use. The essentials of a machine or process are condensed into a single overview. Shown is an example of an operator workplace in the process industry consisting of 4 columns. The right column describes the required end result, the product quality. The process is delivering the desired output if the service condition is correct, as well as the color, visual properties and density. The column process quality indicates whether the process itself is running correctly. If the level trends are stable, the sound is soft, steady flows and steady power consumption, the process runs well. So, if the product quality and process quality are both correct, no adjustments are needed. The next column describes the major installation sections that fall under control of the operator: a feed line, dilution line, mixer and filling line. These 5 settings are the dominant controls to optimize the quality of both the process and product. Finally, 2 external influences are identified that can cause deviation in the process and/or product. For example, if a problem arises with the service condition, it is possible that the raw material has a different density than expected, and possibly the feed pressure or the extruder speed needs adjustment. When the feed pressure is changed, the operator must be aware that the service condition is improved, but the color and density are also affected as a result of a change in feed pressure. These cause and effect relations are visually presented to the operators. So how does an operator know what to adjust? This is found in the instructions. Each specification contains instructions on how to check it, what is correct, what is incorrect and how to react. An instruction can be short: increase the feed pressure by 10%. But perhaps the root cause is not immediately clear and requires a diagnostics process. What quality class is being produced? Class C. What is the temperature in section 3, above 91 degrees, and the pressure is elevated? Then replace the nozzle according to a specific procedure, and perhaps a quality deviation form has to be submitted, which can also be included. In addition to the primary quality control situations, disturbances are included that might occur less often but can still result in major downtime or product loss. For instance, how to react if the mixer suffers a drivetrain shutdown. The operator can check the power consumption and can either execute an action directly or transfer the situation to the maintenance team. The maintenance crew will have their own knowledge file with more technically oriented content. The essential know-how for the operator is presented in a single model, but some knowledge has to be known from the top of the head. That can be transferred and measured using the testing functionality. For example, what to do if a specific test shows this result. If the response is incorrect, a learning moment is created to explain something essential to the operator. We call this just too late learning. A knowledge file is typically created in 3 to 5 interviews and is immediately ready for use. An operator can reach the right information within 2 clicks or 10 seconds. If you would like to know more about the possibilities of Elicit Online for your organization, please let us know and we're happy to give an online demo and discuss your specific needs and any questions.